What's up everybody, this is Janae Khan on the Janae's and Jose's channel. Now guys, 4 months ago I did another video about this, but this is not where we are today. Yes guys, the M&S Demolition and Martin Spencer's Demolition. So they're currently demolition of the M&S. Now it has changed a lot guys, it has changed a lot. You see, a lot has changed, yeah. And really guys, is that during the last 4 months, said that we were going to do another video in some point new year, yeah, and that is actually now the date we're doing it. We did say February, but thing is guys, it's a lot of bit of progress. That's what's happened, and we will go round the back of it, like not in the construction site itself, because we will get told off as we need the actual uniform first. But we will have another look and just tell you about what's going to happen next after this last, I believe this is the last part of the demolition that needs to be completed now. So yeah guys, that's what we are doing. So this is the Bradford M&S Demolition. This is part 2 to the video, and yeah, so that's what it is. Yeah, that's what literally is guys. I'm not going to, yeah, that's all I'm going to let you in, because normally that is shut, but today it's open. So yeah guys, we normally going to be doing this, but the demolition is taking a tail, so that's what it is guys. I did get some shots in, but really guys, is that is the only thing we're getting in. If we do get more shots in, I'll just let you know. But there's a construction guy standing there right there. I'm not gonna do nothing at the minute. Yeah, I'm not really gonna do anything just yet from all that. Yeah, so just seeing it guys, all that. But what they have done is that all of that, yeah, all of that demolition. So yeah guys, that's what we have actually got talked about, and we're not, let's say we're not going to be walking back up about this, because the construction itself, it's still a big behind here. So that's what it comes down to guys, just up there. That's so up there, that's just the last remaining they got left. And yeah guys, if you love this video, please give me and Joseph a thumbs up, comment down what you think, and hit that notification bell and subscribe to the channel if you're new. Yeah guys, and stay tuned for an update in specifically my bass very bad. In specifically guys, 5 days. So just wait for an update in 5 days. And guys, I'll see you probably like in mid-February for another M&S demolition, or probably say near construction time actually, because they're gonna hopefully complete by February this year. So yeah, see you guys pretty soon. See you guys later actually for a transfer update.